what's up guys, it's BJ here with a quick video of the day. Today I want to show you how to draw a face for everyday people out there. If you're interested in more information on how to draw people, how to draw faces, click on the link below the video and check out my recommended resource about how to draw. Okay, so having said that, I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on how to draw a face for everyday people out there. You don't have to be a perfect Picasso or super the perfect artist out there. No, this is for everyday people. This is a basic way on how to draw a face. Okay, so first thing you do, what I like to do is I like to start with two eyes. Okay, so just basically two eyes. Okay, so it's like one oval shape, you know, and the same for both. And the eyelids right here, so I like to kind of circle it. Again, this is for speed purposes right now. I'm gonna do it really quickly. And then after that, what I like to do is just like, I like to bring a line for the nose, as nose part. Does that make sense? Okay. And then I like to shadow it up like this and bring the bottom, the nose part right here. Okay, like that. Very simple, very basic. And then this is the mouth. And I like to do lips. And then I like to bring the face, and then two ears, obviously. And sometimes I like to put in the shadows, you know. When if it's too clear and perfect, I don't like it. I just personally like, you know, a little bit of shadows here, you know, and then the neck. Okay, and then I like to put in the eyelashes because, you know, we like to put in some. Okay, and I don't like to make it 100% clear, white and black and white. So I like to mix it in, you know, a little bit more. So mix it in here, kind of like, you know, put in some more, make it more dramatic, like mixing it in more grayish instead of just all black and white, you know. And then the eyebrows, obviously, to express, you know, more depth and character to the face. And then overall head, the top of the head. Now, you can keep going. And then let's just say the head is like this. Excuse me. Okay, so that's there you go. That's a quick picture right here. I like to put in the shadows a little bit, and also a little bit of the wrinkles, you know, and there you go. So that's a quick video on how to draw a face for everyday people. If you're more interested in learning how to draw people, how to draw faces, or how to draw period, click on the link below the video and check out the recommended resource on how to draw for everyday people. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.